How to create a talent account. Creating a talent account on VirtualStaff.ph is the first step toward finding quality and secure online role opportunities. Follow the simple steps below to set up your account and start exploring roles today. Step 1. Visit the VirtualStaff.ph homepage. When you visit VirtualStaff.ph without logging in, you will find the Create a Free Account tab, located at the top right corner of the header. Click on this button to begin the sign-up process. Step 2. Enter your personal details. Fill in the required fields with accurate information: full name, email address, phone number. Create a secure password. Make sure to use a valid email address, as it will be used for verification and communication. Step 3. Complete identity verification. To ensure a safe and trustworthy platform, VirtualStaff.ph requires users to verify their identity. Follow these steps. Upload a valid ID. Choose a government-issued ID and upload a clear image. Selfie verification. Take a live selfie to confirm your identity. Step 4. Account creation confirmation. Once your identity verification has been successfully completed, your talent account will be created. You'll then receive an activation email at the address you used during sign-up. After activating your account, you can start expressing interest in roles right away. Next steps. After signing up, complete your profile. Add your skills, experience, and a professional profile picture to attract potential employers. Browse and express interest in roles. Explore role listings that match your skills and interests. Stay active and responsive. Regularly check your account for staff offers and messages from employers. By following these steps, you can successfully create your talent account on VirtualStaff.ph and kickstart your journey to securing online role opportunities.